Good morning, folks. A very exciting update and a very quick video. For those that are unable to access the incredible amount of valuable skill and technique based information on secretsfromtheworkshop.com, we now have Bitesize. You can access it from armitageLeather.com or secretsfromtheworkshop.com. They will both have links. And there you can access online, standalone, one-off projects. You can go to secretsfromtheworkshop.com. On the menu, click on Bitesize. Here we can see the projects that are available. Card holder, bifold wallet, notebook cover, simple belt, dot bag, troll wallet, knife sheath, day bag, horseshoe bag, tote bag, tool roll, development of a bag. That's 5 projects in one series, and any number of other projects, and it will grow. You can access for a one-off payment a project and every video in that project, whether it's 3 or whether it's 11, will be accessible for between a month and 2 months, depending on the duration of the project. But if you are unable to access or subscribe to Secrets from the Workshop, this is a fantastic alternative. Better than downloading a PDF or somebody else's template, because you are taught how to make every single aspect of every single build, from concept to product. Folks, go and take a look. Be silly not to. Take care. Enjoy.